Right, good day, people. My name is Johan Botha. I'm going to tell you today about X3 Matrix, a low entry and a fast flow smart contract system that is managed by the blockchain. No human or admin control. Yeah? So let's have a quick look about what is X3 Matrix and how does it work. Right, so first of all, I need to start with a disclaimer. It is important to understand that this is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not any tax, investment, financial, or legal advice, and nothing is guaranteed in this space. Right, although the smart contract code cannot be changed by anybody, it will only execute codes, cannot execute or work any other way. If you follow the codes of the smart contract and meet the requirements, the smart contract will distribute the earnings according to that. There's no other way that it can send those payments or route those payments. All right. So X3 is a live smart contract matrix concept currently being observed in a controlled pre-launch environment. Right. We are still testing it on the live blockchain, and members are getting to keep the earnings from the pre-launch phase as well. Right. So the reason for this is to make sure that we understand it 100% or much better than most other platforms, and then we will roll it out publicly and there'll be a proper launch as well. All right, so any participation is voluntary and depends on smart contract activity, wallet setup, referrals, timing, network conditions, and individual decisions. That is why nothing can be guaranteed. All right, there's lots of factors that always plays a role in determining who gets paid, who gets what. It depends on your own activity as well. Right, so crypto and smart contracts can or does carry in its own inherent risks. Always do your own research and only participate with funds you can afford to lose. Right, so do not go and sell your house and your car or take your rent money or food money and put it in any online or in any business for that matter. Right, so past and early beta test activity does not guarantee future outcomes. But as I said, the smart contract cannot operate otherwise. The reason for this pre-launch is to test everything and make sure it does work. The smart contract works 100%. It cannot be changed. Right, so the entry fee for one position in X3 Matrix is 0.001 BNB on level 1 only. We can only enter on level 1. Although there is 12 levels, you will see that this 0.001 can potentially produce a recurring recycling income, continuous upgrading income up to level 12, depending on all the circumstances, obviously. But that is the potential that it has. All right, and we'll look at the price of in rand and in dollar value of how much is 0.001 BNB. Right, it's automated. This is an automated system. The contract cannot work otherwise. Right, payments, upgrades, re-entries, and payouts are routed by the smart contract logic and code. No other person, admin, can manipulate the system or change rules or the compensation plan. It will always work like this until the last day that the internet exists. Right, and there's once you're in the system, it keeps on the momentum by recycling positions and keeping upgrading and recycling back into the levels. All right, so education plus transparency, that is what you will need to understand how it works, and then you can verify it yourself on the smart contract directly. All right, so nothing is hidden in this platform. It is an extremely low entry level cost of 0.001 BNB. It's smart contract automation, no human or manual manipulation or upgrades is needed here. All right. Upgrades are done automatically and it's a continuous recycling once you complete position 14 on any level in any cycle, right? And it can be publicly verified on the smart contract on the blockchain itself. Right, so how much is 0.001 BNB? Let us just check there quickly. Just want to get there. So in South African Rand, 0.001 BNB is currently 9 Rand 89. It's under 10 Rand. And there you can see it. That means 1 BNB is 9,800 Rand at the moment, meaning 0.001 BNB is going to be under 10 Rand, under 10,000 US dollars, Rand for 1 BNB currently. And in US dollars, it will be 60. There's now exactly $600 for 1 BNB. So that means it will be exactly 60 cents for 0.001 BNB, as you can see there. 60 US dollar cents. Right, let's continue with the PDF. How does payments work here? Here is the smart contract which we will go to verify everything there. And to look at the routing of the transparency of this platform. Smart contract ends with BBA1. All right. The current value on the smart contract is 163 US dollars. It's 0.274 BNB. This money is kept here for automated upgrades. All right, I just want to refresh it. You see there's regular registrations. So you can see that the contract was created 24 days ago, so just over 3 weeks. Right, here is the contract codes and the level costs. Everything is in this smart contract. You don't have to know everything about the codes. Just know that the smart contract cannot work otherwise than what it is coded to do. Let's look at the last user ID. There's 4548 positions registered in this 3 weeks already. Right, and you can only enter on level 1. That's why you will see the registration is all 0.001 BNB, and there the price is shown for you there as well. $60 US dollar cents. All right, if you go to internal transactions, you will get all the payouts if you go into these transactions, where the money was paid to and received by whom and so on. All right, so let's just continue here. All right, how does the payment work? This is the contract that we were just on now. So the costs per level, you can only enter on level 1. You can only enter on level 1. The smart contract keeps your upgrade funds, it upgrades you to the next levels automatically when you're qualifying there. I'll explain that as well. How do you qualify to upgrade, and how does the smart contract upgrade you to the next levels? That you do not have to pay any other fee to upgrade as well. Here is how the payments are working in X3 Matrix. When you register, you will fall into the matrix. It doesn't depend on which link you use, but all of the matrices look exactly the same. Your payout matrix, I mean. So position 1, when you refer your first position, it will fall onto your left side directly under you in your level 1. Now this payment does not go to you. This payment goes up to your upline, goes up 1 level above you. Your second direct, which you refer, goes up 2 levels above you to your upline's upline, basically. And you can see it here on the right as well. Position 1 spulls up 1 level. Position 2 spulls up 2 levels. Right. All the green positions, that's a direct payment to you. As you can see, it's displayed here as well. Position 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is on the first cycle. There's two different cycles. On the first cycle, meaning the first time you enter a level, that is your first cycle. There is 6 payments to be received on cycle number 1. So position 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 will be paid directly to your wallet, sent to your wallet by a smart contract. Right, position 4 gets held by the smart contract. That is the funds that you saw on the smart contract. It's the position 4 funds that is kept for the upgrade, and once position 5 comes into your matrix, your payout matrix, it automatically upgrades you to the next level, in this case, level 2. And the same will happen up until level 12. Right, position 6 is going to pay you again now. Position 7, 10, and 13 is spilling down to support your own downline, your own direct downline. Right, according to the referral matrix 3, not according to this matrix. There's two different matrices in, or trees basically. In X3 is your direct referral tree and your payout matrix. This is the payout matrix. Right, so position number 7, it spills down 1 level to your left. Position 8 and 9 is going to pay you again. Position 10 is spilling down 1 level to your right. Then 11 and 12 is going to be direct payments again. Now position 13 spills down 2 levels to your left. All right. Position 14 is the recycle position. So what you need to concentrate on is your level 5 and position 5, slot 5 and slot 14. Slot 4 and 5 is your concentrate on those positions, and then slot 14 as well. The rest will they will come in. They will just happen automatically. Right, you can use your own link again to add positions in those positions or in those slots to give you a further boost. But this is what I was referring to when I say about this. There are two different matrices. A referral tree looks like this. I'll show you on the back office as well. But the payout matrix, which the smart contract manages, the BNB routing is this one on the right. All right, so this one you can use to help you to understand that one and work it both ways. All right, so this is your direct. You see who referred who in your first 3 levels. So that's level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1, level 2, level 3 is working differently from this one. All right, but your first 2 will always be the same. And from there on, it will be their referrals that is populating this side again. All right. Now, this is just basic. This is actually only thing that you have to do for any position. It needs to register. It needs to refer first 2. It will fall left and right. And then those will do the same. It will fall left and right, left and right. Upgrades will happen automatically. Payments will be routed automatically. Right, this is just a breakdown of the color coding. The orange is your spill up, is position 1 and 2. And then your green is your direct referral, same here, or your direct dividend. Position 4 gets help for the upgrade in cycle 1 only. In cycle 2, it's going to feed the royal pool. You will see now the difference between cycle 1 and cycle 2 as well. And then position 5 on cycle 1 triggers the upgrade. On cycle 1, you're getting paid 6 times that level cost. So on level 1, the entry fee is 0.001. You'll get paid 6 times that value when you complete one payout matrix. On cycle 2, you will receive it 7 times. Right, then the red ones are spilled down. That's to support your own downline members. And then position 14 is a recycle position that re-enters you back into the same level. And this is cycle 2. The difference between cycle 1 and cycle 2 is what? It is position 4 and 5. So on cycle 2, that means on cycle 1, you've reached position 14. You're getting placed back into the same structure. You will follow your upline. Position 1 and 2 will still work the same. Position 1 goes up 1 level, position 2 goes up 2 levels. Then 3 is going to your wallet. Number 4 is now going to the royal pool. It's not because you have been upgraded already. Position 4 is going to the weekly royal pool to boost the royal pool payout, which happens every Friday, midnight South African time. Right, position 5 now becomes another direct payment. So instead of upgrading you already upgraded. Position 5 now becomes another direct payment to your wallet. So on cycle 2, position 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is direct payments to your wallet. Position 7, 10, and 13 is still supporting your downline, the same as on cycle 1. And position 14 will just re-enter you back again into the system. So on cycle 2, what you need to do here again, you need to concentrate on position 4 and 4, 5, and 14, because position 4 will boost the royal pool. Position 5 will be another payment to you, extra payment. Position 14 will recycle you back into the same level again, and you'll start earning from this same level again, over and over. Right, now this is the potential payout that you can receive per level, the cost per level. You can see everything doubles as you upgrade. You do not have to take any extra funds out of your pocket to upgrade. Just follow the system. Keep to the basic rule of referring 2 directs each as soon as possible with the low cost of 0.001 BNB, which is about 10 Rand or $60. And keep on supporting your team. Then it will happen automatically. You will earn on your first cycle 6 times what you came in with. Remember, you can only come in on cycle 1. Now, the upgrade cost is automatically done for you. And on cycle 2, you just add 1 extra payment. You will now receive 7 payments instead of 6 on cycle 2. Right, this is from level 1 to 6. Now, the potential that you can earn in 1 cycle is 26 BNB altogether on all levels. But remember, it's continuous recycling of positions, so you will earn from all of the levels simultaneously. Let's just look at level 7, which is 0.384 BNB, and that is on cycle 1. On cycle 2, you will earn 0.448, which is much more than 0.384. Right? But you will still earn from the level 1 to 6 as well, from that, the recycling and the upgrades. And the royal pool that is happening there as well. So yes, this is a very long-term program platform. Remember, the smart contract cannot be stopped by anybody. As long as the internet exists on planet Earth, the smart contract will operate, and it will only operate according to the rules or the codes that it has been written with. All right, so in one position, it's got the potential to earn up to 26 BNB, 26.62 BNB on the first cycle only. That is excluding the second cycle. Right. Now remember, your second cycle and subsequent cycles are going to keep on recycling, because when you finish on cycle 1, you're going to cycle 2 automatically, and nothing can prevent that. Right, so the difference between cycle 1 and cycle 2 is slot number 4, which is held by the smart contract to upgrade you, is now going to the royal pool on level 2 and the subsequent cycle. Right, because you re-enter level 1 also, and after that you re-enter level 2 the whole time. which will feed the royal pool. Position 4 will feed the royal pool. Position 5 will now become an extra payment directly to your wallet. And the weekly royal pool distribution is reviewed every Friday at 12 South African Standard Time. And then the prize money gets distributed into 4 different categories. Right, just now the first prize is 40% of the pool, the second, third, and the fourth prize is 20% of that pool fund. All right, I'm not going to explain it right now, but what you need to do is just need to get your first 2 directs. That can either be your own wallets that you register because it's such a low cost, and many members are doing that, and then help those 2 directs to get their 2 directs again. That is basically all you have to do. Watch the positions close to upgrades. The position, once you see a bar that's got position 5 open, just use that link and register another position there. And that will upgrade that board or that position to the next level. On level 1 only, because you can only work on level 1. Right, and then support trigger slots accurately. Right, then the repeat through recycling cycle. That is what the recycling are about. So it's a continuous recycling when position or slot number 14 is reached. So the green referral tree creates the strongest long-term dashboard story. People are not only joining, they are becoming capable boulders. Okay, so X3 is a blockchain smart contract system. Earnings are not guaranteed. The results depend on activity, qualification, matrix, routing, upgrades, recycling, gas fees, network conditions, and crypto price movement. Members should verify the contract and understand the risk before participating. So you can see here, there's a lot of things that plays a role in this matrix. But as I said, it cannot work otherwise than what it is been coded or programmed to do for. So it's a very low entry that makes X3 very accessible to everyone worldwide. It is automated and it's very transparent. Upgrades and recycling create the movement. That is also automated. So the education is very important. That's what we are doing in this pre-launch phase to make sure we understand it as good as possible. And thank you for your time. Let's just have a look quickly at the back office and what it looks like. So that is the smart contract. Right, here is position number 1. This is the admin position. This is the only one that looks like that. The rest looks different. Right, so on your dashboard, you will have the search function here at the top. It looks the same on the phone. It's just narrower. The narrow view. Right, the search function you can use here, which is very useful and very handy. You can search anything. Let's go to 2000. You can see all the details here. Position number 2000. That was the referred by 1935. That is the address of number 2000. Remember, it's no KYC to be done here. Everything is transparent. It's available on the blockchain. It's publicly available information. Right, that's the wallet of user number 2000. We don't know who that is. We only know it has been referred by user 1935. He has referred 2 direct partners already. His whole team size is 4, and he is still on level 1 out of 12. He has earned already 0.001 BNB, what he paid for. So that means he has triggered position number 3 on his payout matrix, which paid him 0.001 BNB. And he registered on the 26th of May. Right, here's your payment. If you miss any payment, this is admin only. just remember, if you miss payments, the only way you can miss payments if you are not qualified, having referred to people already. That's the only qualification needed there. But you're not going to miss much because you're only going to miss 10 Rand or 60 cents. And the fastest way for you to qualify is to qualify yourself with two directs on your link. And here you can see three of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, so if he needs one more payment, one more registration, he can either use his own link here, or this link, or that link. That will populate that position. And he will be upgraded to level 2 instantly. All right, so that's number 2000 just for interest sake, and then everything is displayed here on the back office. Right, activity. Now this is, remember, this is an admin position there. It's different from the rest. So not all of these are available on the normal position dashboard. So the activity explainer is there, the referral tree is here, and that's what I wanted to show you as well. Now this one is not complete yet, but that's why I want to go to number 1 to show you that one. Right, this is your referral tree. It will look like this. So it says 14 out of 14 visible positions filled. Now these are your directs and their directs. And this is, when you are looking at this matrix, you will need to understand how it works, because if you're looking at the spill downs, you need to understand that the green ones are all going to you. Now this is on the second cycle. The blue one, it goes to the royal pool. But the red positions, they are spilling down. Position number 7 spills down 1 to your left. Now, how do you work that out? 1 level, this is your first level. 1 level to your left. So position 7, when that position comes in, it will go 1 level to your left below number 2, on number 2's matrix. That will fall there. Number 10 falls down 1 position or 1 level to your right. To your right is number 3, or for this one specifically, is number 3. And it will fall under number 3 then. And then position 13, which is this one here, it falls down 2 levels to your left. So that means it goes to 2 levels is number 4, and to the left, number 4, it will fall under number 4. Number 4 is matrix, payout matrix. Right, it can happen that it also falls on a spill over or spill down or a spill up position. In that case, it will just be routed the same as this. And then position 14 is your recycle position back into the system again. Right, while we are here, the current highest levels are currently level 5, with position 1 and position 2 already on level 5. Now, in terms of fiat value, this is, as you saw, 60 cents, this will be 120, then 240, and this will be close to $5, and then $10, then it doubles, everything doubles. This is what the payout, the potential payout comes, depending on the BNB value of the day. So $10, you can safely, to round it off, you can say level 4 is $5, level 5, 10, then 20, 40, 80, 160, 320, and then 690, and then level 12 is the huge payout. Right, 1 BNB is currently $600, and you started with 0.001, and you spoke to a couple of people. Right, 0.001 BNB is very low cost. Right, you can't do anything with 10 Rand these days. But here is a chance to do anything or to do something at least. So this is the current number of positions registered, 4548. Let me just refresh it again, yeah. All right, that is basically that. So 4550, 4550. All right, there is also a scan. This is what we use to predict or to look at who needs one position to upgrade. We can only work on level 1. That is also to be understood. We can only work on level 1, support the bottom to push the positions higher to the other upgrades. Right, so we can scan this. I'm not going to do this now, already did it today. Then there's 3 different messages that goes out. Those that need one upgrade, one position to upgrade to level 2. Then those who need 2 directs or 2 more positions to upgrade. And then the last is which position has got position slot 14 open to recycle. Those are the major or the biggest benefits. Looking at how to move it as quickly as possible by closing position 4, 5, and 14. That brings the momentum and the automation as well. All right, and then we have the Royal Pool weekly prize displayed here every Friday night, midnight. This Royal Pool gets distributed. You can see there's 4 days left, 12 hours. So just before midnight on Friday, we load the ranking and we look at who is qualified. The information is taken from the blockchain itself, from the smart contract. It cannot be manipulated. Right, the dashboard works it out automatically. It gives out the numbers of those who win. You can see the top overall bowler received 40% of last week's earnings. Then 20% was received by the top direct referrer, the top team qualifier, and the upgrade or recycled bowler, which bowled the best or upgraded the best. It was 418, and 418 is already on level 4 as well. Right, so that is basically how that works. So yes, these are other admin tools that we are testing to help us to understand the system much better. And then you can see position number 1 can only refer position 2 and 3. It cannot refer other members. It has to use other link. Right, so position number 1's link has already been used. You can only use it twice. And those are the direct referrals, position 2 and 3. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attending. And if you're watching on YouTube, kindly reach out or read the description, the link or the contact details are in the description as well. Please, if you decide to join X3 Matrix, participate responsibly and make sure that you keep your wallet seed phrases in a safe place. Thank you very much. Please reach out to the person that has sent this to you. All right. Keep well. Bye-bye.